What's up, guys? RJ here from Steady Trades. So another video, another educational piece, this time around support and resistance. One of the most popular ways for people to assess charts, right, or commence their technical analysis skills. It's the way that I trade. I love it. I'm able to identify levels quickly. I look at charts very differently because I'm so used to charting support and resistance. So let me give you a quick rundown of what it is and an easy way for you to not get confused in terms of what support is and what resistance is. So the ground beneath you, right? The ground that you stand on, or the floor that you stand on, acts as support, right? So from a stock chart standpoint, we'd look at the candles moving down, and when they bottom out like this and we have multiple touches, this would be considered support, right? Because this is the foundation, this is the ground level. Conversely, for the upside, this is where the ceiling is, right? This is where it hits, rejects, hits, rejects, hits, rejects. That would be considered resistance, right? So up above is resistance and beneath us is support. Now, how do we draw support and resistance? Very simple. I think too many people complicate this with trying to draw lines all over the place, trying to incorporate as much as possible, and their lines are their charts are cluttered, and really all we're looking for is just a simple horizontal line across your screen that captures as many touches as possible in terms of the wicks of the candlesticks and the bodies. So if we look at where I've drawn my resistance and where I've drawn my support, and I had these red circles drawn on here for you guys to see, you'll see that the wicks hold, the bodies hold, the wick holds, the wick, more of the wick, and then here's a couple where the body's holding, right? So this area is intriguing to me. Then down here at support, you see the wicks touching. Wicks, bodies do get through but reclaimed quickly. And then whenever we move back down into this area, again, the bodies are holding this price zone, right? And then same thing again and again. And I circled these areas for you guys to see. Now, I think people get caught up on trying to draw horizontal lines at an exact price, at a specific price. And well, that's great. I think price is more associated with a zone per se, right? So these candles aren't exactly touching my line, but I'm okay with that. It's an area of interest for me, right? It's not something I'm looking to dial in 157.61 on my chart. It's more or less, this is where price is gravitating towards and reversing, right? So just an area of confluence, right? An area of an attractive price level on the chart is what I'm after per se, right? So I zoomed in on a Facebook chart, 5-minute time frame. Found a tight period of consolidation and just showed you guys basically what lows look like at support and what the highs look like at resistance. All right, guys, thank you for watching.